Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Math with Dr. War. I have a quick video for you today. We're going to be looking at the data analysis section of the GED test. There are not many questions on the data analysis. In the standards, it says that you should be able to find the mean, median, mode, and range. I have a video on that and I will link it at the end. And also, you have to be able to find the missing value when the mean or average is given. And we're going to do that today because this will be a very short video. I'm also going to show you two ways to do this. So you can do this the arithmetic way or you can do this the algebra way. So let's begin. So I'm going to start with the arithmetic way. So it says here that the mean of 10, 12, 14, and x is 13. And we have to find the value of x. So they told us that the mean is 13. Meaning that when you add up all these numbers and divide by 4, you're going to get 13. Now they gave us the data set. They said, well, the numbers you're adding are 10 and will be 12 and 14. And then we don't know what the fourth number is. But we know that when you add these four numbers and divide by 4, you get 13. Now, I said I'm doing this the arithmetic way. So we're going to be finding totals. Now, to find a total here, remember, to find the mean, you add everything up and you divide by how many numbers you have added. We're going to add 4, so to do the reverse here, to find the total, I would multiply this by 4 because we have to add 4 numbers. So our total here would be 52. Now on this side here, I'm going to find the total of 10, 12, 14. So I'm going to add all of these numbers together. And when you add them, I get 36. Now, I need to find the missing number here. So I know that the total for the mean will be 52. I know that when I add the 3 numbers, I get 36. Therefore, to find a missing number, I'm just going to subtract 52 minus 36 gives me 16. So my missing number here is 16. Now, if you want to check this out, we can. So if we add all of these numbers, so if you take 10, you add 12, you add 14, and you add 16, and then you divide by 4, we should get 13. So let's get our calculator here. We're going to add 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. That gives us 52. And then we divide by 4. And there you go. Our answer for our mean or average is 13. So this is the arithmetic way. Now the algebra way, I'm going to write this in green. So for the algebra way, we say, okay, to find the mean, we add all of our numbers. So we add 10, we add 12, we add 14, we're adding x, which we don't know, right? And when you divide all of that by 4, you're going to get 13. So now I'm looking at my left-hand side and I'm like, well, these are a lot of numbers here. So when you add 10, 12, 14, that becomes 36 plus x divided by 4 equals 13. Now I'm going to put this over 1, and if you ever watch any of my proportional videos, you would know that when you have two ratios equaling each other, you can cross multiply. So we're going to cross multiply. So 1 times 36 plus x will still give us 36 plus x. Now when you multiply 4 times 13, I'm going to put it over here, 4 times 13, that's what gives us 52. So I have 36 plus x equals 52. And then since this is now the algebra way, it's like you're solving for x, you're going to minus 36 on both sides. That cancels. you get x equals, and when you subtract, you get 16. So in the comments below, please let me know which method you like. Do you like the algebra method? Or do you like the arithmetic method? So let me know which method you like, algebra or arithmetic. Let's try it again, and I'm going to do the arithmetic method. So it says here, a student 4 test scores were 88, 91, 93, and 86. What score would be needed on a 5th test to obtain a mean of 90 for all 5 tests? So again, the mean is 90, okay? Now, we have the test scores for 4 tests. So we have 88, 91, 93, 86, and we don't know what the student is going to get on the 5th test. We want to find out. Because there are 5 tests, we're going to multiply our mean by 5, and this would give us 450. So we have the total for the mean. We're going to find the total for the test scores, which means that we're going to add all of these. And remember, on this section of the GED exam, you can use your calculator. So we're going to add 88 plus 91 plus 93 plus 86. And that gives us 358. So this gives 358 for our total. So now to find the missing, that would be 450 minus 358. So we have 450 minus 358. And our answer is 92. So we need a 92 on our 5th test. Last problem, and I want to throw in a decimal here because I know that sometimes on the GED test, students know how to solve the problem, but once they throw in decimals or fractions, students get afraid. Don't be. So here it says Rick's recorded time in 4 1-mile runs are 4.8 minutes, 5.3 minutes, 4.7 minutes, and 5.4 minutes. For Rick's next run, which time will give him a mean of 5 minutes? So we know that the mean is 5 minutes. Notice they gave us 4 runs. So his 4 runs are 4.8, 5.3, 4.7, and 5.4 for his next run, because they're recorded 4, but his next run would make him running 5 times. So which means I'm going to times this by 5, because they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So I have my total here. Over here, I have to find the total, and I'm going to add 4.8 plus 5.3 plus 4.7 plus 5.4. That gives us a total of 20.2. So to find the 5th time, we're going to take 25 minus 20.2. And you can look here and kind of figure out your answer, because this is 25 and this is 20. And you know that it's going to be less. So if you think of this as $25 and this is $20.20, you know you could eliminate D. That's too much. And you can, these are more than 5. So your answer will be A, and that's without even looking at my calculator. But let's get our calculator. So 25 minus 20.2, you're going to be less than $5. So yes, your answer is 4.8. Again, let me know whether you like the arithmetic method or the algebra method. These questions are pretty simple on the GED exam. And as always, I'm wishing you the best of luck in your GED exam. And remember, if you like the content, please hit that like button. Also, if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or concerns, just drop them in a comment and I'll get back to you. And good luck on your GED exam. And also, have a good day.